5 things I could never live without as a content creator. And yes, if you're a business owner and you're on social media, you're a content creator too. The Holy Grail content scheduler. This one's from Adobe Express and I absolutely love it. This is one of the most underrated tools to automate my process, so I'm not having to press post on every single thing that I am posting. Organized folders on my phone. If you have an iPhone, I highly recommend making folders just like these ones. This is to save me so much time, so I'm not having to go through thousands of photos and videos just to find the one thing I'm looking for. The graphic is gonna look 100 times better if it looks like this than if it looks like this. And you can do it with a click of a button with a background remover. Adobe Express also has this, and I use that because it keeps everything in one place and I'm not having to go to different platforms for everything. Number 4, an external hard drive. Don't keep everything on just your iPhone and computer. I recommend going into your phone and computer twice a week, getting rid of anything you don't need, and then organizing everything else and making sure you also put it on your external hard drive. Last but certainly not least is my brand colors. But the reason that having brand colors is so essential to the content creation process is that whether I'm trying to make a graphic, type something out in my colors, make a sticker, make some more icons, just like the background remover, I can do this with a click of a button. This is the button. It applies my brand colors right away. Let me know if we want a part 2 on the things that I can't live without as a content creator.